So many of the candidates are neglecting to learn some specific IT skills, guys. So if you want to survive in IT industry, so you must know these skills also, guys, along with the core skills. Okay, so you might be a programmer or developer, or you might be working as a supporting engineer, or you might be working as a administration side. So irrespective of the technologies, these are the common IT skills to survive in IT industry for long term. So I will tell you few skills every programmer or every support engineer or every administrator must know these skills nowadays, guys. So if you don't mention these skills in your profile, then you may not shortlisted your profile also, and you may not receive calls from technical recruiters or hiring managers. Therefore, these are the mandatory skills, guys, to survive in IT industry. So before entering to the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys, and also don't forget to share to your friends also, guys. So let's come back into the main topic, guys. The first one is Git or GitHub, guys. So Git is one of the popular version control system, guys. By using this, we can develop the projects in collaboratively. We can store our source code in one place, that is nothing but Git or GitHub. In any software IT project, there are multiple people are working together by using Git or GitHub, guys. The reason in any software company, for all software engineers must know, you should aware of Git and Git workflow, guys. Okay, so that is one of the mandatory IT skills. Don't neglect these IT skills, guys. And the second one is Jira tool, guys. So Jira is one of the popular project management tool, guys. Nowadays, maximum IT companies using Jira tool. Software developers or some supporting engineer or even administrators also, you should know Jira tool, guys. Also at the same time, you must know Agile project methodology as well. Because nowadays each and every IT companies is following Agile principles to develop their projects. Okay, you should know Agile topics as well. So I already uploaded a related Agile full course tutorial in our YouTube channel. So if you are not visited, you just go through our playlist. You can find Agile methodology full tutorial, guys. So okay, who are involved in Agile team? Who is Scrum Master? What is the roles and responsibilities of Scrum Master? Who is the product owner? And what is his roles and responsibilities? What is the sprint planning? Okay, what is a scrum meeting, what is a retrospective meeting, what is sprint review? All these concepts you should know, guys, as a programmer or software developer or even testers as well. The next IT skills are very demanding nowadays. So the next most demanding IT skill, irrespective of the technology, that is nothing but cloud technology, guys. That is either AWS or Azure or GCP. But I highly recommend you have to learn AWS concepts. Okay, so nowadays, irrespective of the technologies, you might be programmer or developer or any other administration side also, cloud technology knowledge is must required for anyone working in the IT industry, guys. You should mention in the resume, then only your profile has been shortlisted. And one more technology, guys, that is nothing but SQL or SQL. So if you know how to write queries, that is well and good for all programmers or software developers and even some database administrators. Okay, and even for some tech support, production support engineers as well. Okay, so database skills also mandatory to write queries, guys. So SQL skills also mandatory for all programmers, irrespective of the technologies, guys. So these are the mandatory skills to survive in IT industry for long term, guys. Don't neglect to learn these IT skills along with the core skills, guys. So if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends, guys. And also don't forget to hit the like button, and we will meet one more useful content video. Thank you very much.